Hello everybody, this is Mr. Loy, your friendly D&T teacher. By now you would have been taught by your respective D&T teachers about using page 12, the mirror image development, and you would have chosen 4 designs from ideation 1 to 4 and form a mirror image on each of the following templates. So I'm going to demonstrate in this very short video on how to make a mock-up out of A4 colored paper. So as you can see over here, the mirror image is actually generated along the halfway mark of this page. And the actual A4 size cutout is like this, you can see. And the other one is also generated using lines and curves. So this is what you will be seeing how the mockup is done. I shall now demonstrate using the Marina Bay Sands as an example. So over here you can see that the Marina Bay Sands Hotel is actually mirrored over the horizontal line as shown. And likewise, I am transferring the sketches over, and of course simple tools like your ruler and your pencil and a pair of scissors will be enough for you to cut out. So as you can see, I'm going to draw these dashed lines which demonstrates the bending line as such. You can use ruler and compasses for your curves, or free curve, you sketch it freehand. Now this top part is going to form the platform for the toy aeroplane. So you just use the straight edge or a ruler to draw across. And it is good that you actually sketch or shape lines in areas that you do not want, as shown here. After you have transferred your design over to the A4 cardboard mockup, it is time to use the scissors to cut. However, for some of you, you may prefer to use a penknife and a cutting board as well. So these are accessories. The pair of scissors will do. Now if you fold inwards, everything is gone. You can't cut. So you have to fold outwards. And this is the good thing about shading the lines, right? So for instance, over here, you cut along this line that you see. Follow the curve and you cut out slowly. Follow the line that you have sketched. Now you repeat the steps for all the shaded lines. So I'm just going to pause the video and show you towards the end. For this design, it is drawn horizontally. So you realize that the platform on the other half is on this side. So if you were to use the scissors to cut right through this way, you cut out everything on this and the bottom side. So it is important that for this instance you use you use your penknife. So as you cut out, this is how your Marina Bay Sands will look like. This part here will be cut out over here, here, and here on the actual artifact material, and it's going to be bent along the dash lines here. Now as you can see, for this Marina Bay Sands hotel design, the bend line is going to be here and the main bend line is going to be across here. So you can actually see that the platform can be formed as such. Now most of you, your design is actually this way. So when you sketch this and you fold the paper, you should be able to cut out both sides at one go. So it will look like this. And when you fold and have the platform ready, it looks like this. So it's easy to actually trace or transfer your design in your journal over to your A4 colored paper. In the next video, I will share very briefly some tips, the do's and don'ts.